Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Bhanu Chandra and I'm studying in Sri Venkateswara College of Engineering. I'm a first year student into engineering and this is my video assignment. My USN is 1VE23CD007 and today's subject is waste management. The subject code is BETCK205F and today's topic from this subject is solid waste management and factors affecting solid waste management. So let's get started. So table of content for today's video is shown below. So first we'll learn about what is solid waste management, introduction to solid waste management. Second we'll learn about the three R's of waste management, which is reduce, reuse and recycle. And we'll learn category of waste based on the components and characteristics. So next we'll learn about sources of waste. So different sources of waste, where they are produced, etc. So first, what is solid waste management? So introduction to solid waste management. Solid waste management is a systematic process of collecting, sorting, treating and disposing of solid waste in an environmentally friendly and efficient manner. The goal of solid waste management system is to minimize the adverse impact of waste on public health and environment and aesthetics. So solid waste management include the four steps. The four steps are follows. So waste collection, waste segregation, waste processing, and waste disposal. So first step is waste collection. So collection of solid waste from various sources, including households, businesses, and institutions, are takes place. So waste collection parties are sent into the certain area for collection. So they go from home to home service. So they go and collect the waste and bring it to the waste sites. So waste segregation, sorting and separating different types of waste at sources to facilitate recycling and proper disposal. So separating the waste based on their size and the components helps in proper disposal of waste. So the next step is waste processing, treatment of waste through various methods including composting of organic waste and recycling of recyclable. So waste processing also helps in segregating waste and disposing in such a way that it doesn't affect the environment. So the last step is waste disposal, safe and environmentally sound disposal or reduce waste that cannot be recycled or treated. So in this step, the waste which is collected is disposed and the hazardous waste is which cannot be recycled or treated is incinerated. So the second, we'll learn about the three R's of waste management. So the three R's of waste management are reduce, reuse, and recycle. So these are the three R's of waste management. So three R's are reduce, reuse, and recycle. So first one is reduce. So the first step definition is the first step in waste management is to minimize the generation of waste at its sources. So the key strategies to ensure the reduce of waste is source reduction. So encouraging practice that result in use of fewer materials, product design, creating a product that are durable, repairable, and have minimal packaging. So consumption awareness, encouraging responsible and mindful consumption to avoid unnecessary waste. So by taking these strategies or precaution, we can reduce the waste so that if waste is only not created, there'll be no requirement of solid waste management. So reuse. So definition of this is encouraging the use of products or materials multiple times before discarding them. So to ensure this, there are few strategies. So key strategies are prompting reusable items. So which is encouraging the use of items that can be reused, such as containers, bags, and packagings. So next is repair and maintenance. So encouraging the repair and maintenance of the product to extend its lifespan. So donation and sharing. Donation or sharing items that are no longer needed rather than discarding them helps in longer usage of the product. So this leads in less waste production. So the last one is recycle. So definition of recycle is it involves the collection and processing of material to create a new product, reducing the need for raw materials. So the older materials which are not used to us can be extracted useful materials and can be used to recycle and form new materials. So key strategies to ensure recycling is separation of materials, sorting waste into categories for recycling such as paper, glass, plastic and metals. So collection systems, establishing efficient systems for collecting recyclables for households and business purpose. Processing facilities, utilizing facilities that can process recyclable materials into raw materials for manufacture. So these things can ensure waste segregation in which the usable materials can be recycled to form new products. So next we'll learn about categories of waste. So waste can be categorized into different categories, which is organic waste. So which includes kitchen waste, waste from food preparation, vegetables, flowers, leaves, fruits, and marketplaces. So these are organic waste which can be decomposed to form other useful things. Combustible waste, which include paper, wood, dried leaves, packaging for fragile items, etc. They are highly organic and have low moisture content, so they do not get spoiled easily and can be used. Non-combustible like metal, tins, cans, bottles, stone, etc. So these are the categories of waste in which they can be classified diversely. So next is sources of waste. So waste can be accumulated from different sources like residential sources, industrial sources, construction sources. So industrial waste. So they arise from manufacturing, production, and industrial processes. So they can include hazardous and non-hazardous waste such as chemicals, metals, and manufactured byproducts. So hazardous waste. What are hazardous waste? So they poses a threat to human health or environment due to its toxic, flammable, corrosive, or reactive nature. So they should be treated or they should be neutralized before they are recycled or dumped in landfill sites. Some examples include certain chemicals, batteries, electronic waste, and some medical wastes. So the next one is residential waste. So residents and homes where people live are some of the major sources of solid waste. The garbage from these places includes food waste, plastic, paper, glass, leather, cardboard, metals, yard waste, ashes, and special waste like bulky household items such as electronics, tires, batteries, old mattresses, and used oil. Most homes have garbage bins where they can throw away their solid waste in and later. These bins are emptied by the garbage collection firms or persons for treatment. So these waste are stored outside their houses in large dustbins. So these get collected by the collection systems, they get sorted, and the recyclable items can be recycled and the rest will be disposed. So the next one is construction waste. So construction and demolition sites also contribute to solid waste problems. So construction site waste includes new construction site for building and road repairs sites, building renovation sites, and building demolition sites. Some of the solid waste produced in these places include steel material, concrete, wood, plastic, rubber, copper wires, dirt, and glass. So these are the waste produced on construction sites. And so that's it for today's video. Thank you for watching. And if you have any doubts, comment in the comment section and make sure to like my video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.